Hi, this is Richard Rost with Access Learning Zone. I just released Access Developer 52, where we continue building out the file drop system that we started in Developer 51, and we take it to the next level with previews, launching, and deep file navigation right inside your database. In case you missed Developer 51, that's where we first started building the file drop system, a feature that lets you click and drag any kind of file right onto a form in your database and have it automatically stored and tracked in a file folder. In Developer 52, we keep building that database. We start by adding thumbnails and file type icons so you can preview images and instantly recognize documents like Word, Excel, and PDFs at a glance. We build an open link or file function so you can click on a thumbnail and launch files, folders, web links, or even other Access databases with command line parameters. Then we expand support for hyperlinks, folders, unknown file types, while improving performance so previews load faster and more efficiently. And finally, we automate Excel and Word, so you can open an Excel workbook and jump straight to a specific sheet, or you can open a specific Word document and jump straight to a header section, or run full text search the moment the file opens. Really cool automation in this video. So if you want to build a powerful professional file management interface right inside your Access database, Access Developer 52 will show you exactly how to do it. For more information, visit my website at the link shown on your screen, or drop a comment down below if you've got any questions. Live long and prosper, my friends. I'll see you in class.